Alright guys, so I wanna redo, well, I don't wanna, I'm gonna redo the 70 Wildcat I'm gonna redo this 70 Wildcat wheel well here. So I made out me a little pattern, so I'm gonna go cut me up some metal and then I'm gonna come back. Like I say guys, the way I do this might be a little unorthodox and people might not like, but it works for me. So I mean, where you gonna find the 70 Wildcat wheel well these days, you know? So this one is pretty 8 out. I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna get the flat piece on here. I'm gonna just show you, I'm gonna just patch this in guys and cut out what I need. You know, you're just gonna have to sit back and enjoy the ride, but you know, it's the only way I see to do these different pieces, you know. So let me cut this piece of metal up. So as always all my tools up first. But and if I give myself a little bit more, or you know, it's not a bad thing to do. I want to cut right on this. Alright guys, so you know you always want to oil your tools first, but what I just did there was took my little 3-inch grinder and I cleaned both sides here. You can clean this metal with either lacquer thinner or something like that if you want to before you get started, but you know, it's all in the individual. Alright, so now that I got this piece cut out, what I want to do is start cutting and fitting it for the wheel well. Alright, so I'm gonna get my little clamps here. I'm gonna hold this down in place. Just don't want it rocking around on me right now. First things first, I want to flatten this out here. Alright, I just want that flat. So this metal piece will fit flat right down on there. Alright. So to come across right here, Alright. So I want to mark this. Where I'm coming across here. Alright, but the only thing, this here, I want this to cut off right there. So let me come in and get this piece cut out. Then I'm going to cut this off with the shears here, hand shears. So the way I do things sometimes, it takes a little longer, but it works out real nice for me. So alright, so I put a mark here and a mark here so I know where that's at. Now I got to cut this piece off here. So I got to take this loose now. But I really just take my time with this, guys, because I don't want to mess this wheel well up no more than what is messed up already, guys. So I want to make sure I got this angle right. All right. Alright, so guys, I do have safety glasses on here, so I want to clean this, make sure I got nice thick metal there, and I do. Alright, so I'm trying to come in here where you can see what I'm doing. Alrighty. Alright, I haven't used this tool since I brought it. Alright, let me give this a try. Ooh, yeah, it's cutting good. It's not cutting where I want it to, though. I need this line to be. I need this line to be a little bit more visible to me. Or maybe I need to put tape on here. Wow, this thing really cuts good. I'm gonna have to get used to using it. I can tell she's cutting good here. I'm gonna have to get used to using it. That's for sure. Let's see if I go the other way. That's beautiful. So I got to get used to using this tool, guys. Alright guys, so I have to come in here and put on my welder's jacket because it's just too many sparks going on. This thing is really cutting good, so I just got to get used to using it. Nice clean cut. A little bit more. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna actually go through how to do this step by step. So these are gonna be probably quite a few 10-15 minute videos, but because I didn't show, I had to do a lot of grinding and fitting here to get this in here, but it's ready to be tacked in now. So I know you probably right now not understanding what I'm doing here, but you'll get it towards the end. So Right now I'm just trying to, I got this piece fitted in. So I think I'm going to stop for tonight. Come in tomorrow and then I'm going to tack this in place here. And get these pieces welded up around here. And then what you're going to see is I'm going to leave this front lip here. So I'm going to weld all of this in. And then I'm going to cut out these sections in here. And like I say, one piece at a time, guys. Just weld these pieces in to get this wheel well shaped and molded. So I think I'm going to stop here tonight, guys. I'll probably air this tonight, and then you're just going to have to, and I'll probably air this tonight. So, you know, stay tuned, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do this wheel well piece by piece, guys. So.